के शिकार करना नहीं बोला।
Sponsored by
नया लक्स जो मेरे चेहरे से दाग कम करे और दे मुझे मेरा बेदाग निखार।
So all the contestants, are you excited to know what is your first cooking challenge? Your first cooking challenge is the mystery ingredient, which is right here in my hand.
I've got the golden spoon, so that gives me the opportunity to taste any dish anytime. So I'm entering the kitchen. Let's see what's happening there. Hi Vidya, so what are you cooking today?
Hi. So this is my take of the chili bean soup. I've substituted the red kidney bean with the soya chunks. I marinated them, I just soaked them and chopped them up and added into the soup. And made a small, a very simple bruschetta with the sauteed soya chunks along with some sauteed red bell peppers and cherry tomatoes.
Okay.
So this,
you think that your cherry tomatoes are sauteed well?
No,
for
so
the
cherry
bruschetta?
tomatoes are not sauteed.
Not sauteed.
This is raw.
Okay.
Only the bell peppers and the
Soya chunks.
are sauteed.
So you know I have the golden spoon, I can taste the food, right?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes, you can.
So you mentioned this is a soup, right?
Yes, it's a soup, yeah.
So do you think the consistency for the soup is right?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah, it's a wholesome soup.
Spice level? Spicy?
It is
You made it purposely spicy?
Chili bean is spicy.
Okay. But you think that this can get you to the next stage of the competition?
Fingers crossed, I think so.
Good luck. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Vidya Jain. I come from a city named Coimbatore in the south of India, and I've always been very passionate about baking and cooking. So baking and cooking has been something which I've been doing from my teenage. Gulf Super Chef has given us a very beautiful platform to display our culinary and baking skills. It's a beautiful experience, and I think it's one of the first time UAE has gone in for something, some live cooking show like this. I just wish I reach the finals and I do win a place. Let's hope for the best.
Hi Hira, what's happening?
Actually, today I'm making this is a Thai food.
Okay.
It's Thai chicken stir fry,
Okay.
and it's my first time I'm cooking soya chunks. But I'm feeling that in the future I can replace the chicken with a soya chunk.
Okay, so you want to keep it vegetarian but more protein type.
Yes.
Have you ever made Thai food before this, or it's your first time?
No, it is my second or third time. I made at home for my kids because they like the flavors and this is good, so it's fine.
So what's the main ingredient of Thai which you are using over here?
I'm using this Thai rice, Thai jasmine rice, and there are different sauces. There's teriyaki sauce, and I mix tamarind and teriyaki and soya sauce and the sugar, and I cook them. And
Smells good, by the way. It smells good. Excited to taste it, yeah?
Hello Anshul ji.
Hi sir.
क्या बना रही हैं आप आज?
So this is Nutrilla soya bean and this chana kebab.
Don't you think that this should have been more beautiful and more fresh? Because here you have more leaves, says dull, and then more than garnish, it's looking like we have dumped it on the plate. Don't you think that?
actually the leaves get now dried actually.
Okay. And what is the presentation concept? So you have kept one galette on the bowl.
This is the kebab. You can dip it and eat it.
Okay. So no need to use the spoon or fork.
No.
And I can see there are 2 dips in this. So
This is the mustard dip and this is the red bell pepper dip. So I made a both of the mixture of it.
Okay.
Because if we mix both it tastes more good.
Can I?
Yeah, sure.
So I'm supposed to mix this, right?
Yeah.
You see, now this is already gone inside.
But you have
That's
to
what I
dip with
wanted.
the kebab actually.
Okay, so I need to use my hand.
Yeah.
Okay. Tastes nice, but I think this too dense, right?
Okay.
But dip, I really like the dip. And for me, as a guest point of view, it's not very comfortable to put the galettes on the handle. So you can see that when I was trying to take it, it's already in the bowl. Okay? Thank you, but it tastes nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good. What did you cook today?
I have made empanadas.
Okay.
Usually you make with beef. So I use soya chunks for empanadas. And I have given this some onion tomato salsa on the side.
Sounds interesting. So
Thank
have you cooked with soya before?
Not much, only for my kid. This is the first time I'm properly cooking on the shoot. Hello everyone, my name is Shefali Khamkar. I am from India, the part of Maharashtra. I have started my journey as a chef when I was 20 years old, because when I used to help my grandmother and mother in the kitchen. So my mother and grandmother, it's my big inspiration to become a chef. Now I feel really proud to be part of this journey, and hopefully I will try my best to win this trophy.
So finally, as I said, we have last 5 seconds now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop, everyone.
तुझे पता है इतनी बारीकी से चुनकर बनता है दावत?
अभी नहीं बना है।
दाना 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 2 साल तक संभाल कर रखते हैं।
बन गया दावत?
हाँ?
नहीं बना।
अभी नहीं बना ना?
जनाब, अब बन गया है दावत।
चुनकर, बचाकर, संभालकर, सजाकर ही बासमती बनता है दावत। तभी तो फर्क दिखता है चेहरों पे, दिलों में, रिश्तों में। दावत बनेगा तो फर्क दिखेगा।
Presenting Style Station for you, your ultimate fashion hub. From women and men to kids, we've got something for everyone. From designer collection, jewelry, to perfumes, and a lot more. Order now from our website and get exciting offers. Visit stylestation4u.com today.
Get ready.
हमार धंधा जो है डर पे चालत है लल्ला।
For some mind-blowing action.
अरे किलर है यार वो।
Real stories.
लड़ नहीं रही इसका मतलब ये नहीं है मैं लड़ नहीं सकती।
सानिया, तुमने धोखा दिया है मुझको।
High voltage drama.
Against the rules. और आप रूल्स को फॉलो करते हैं।
Watch Prime Plus every Saturday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I'm Bipasha Basu. I'm on your screen today to share my philosophy of love yourself with you.
Watch Fit Test with Bipasha every Monday, 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Wow, sweet potato kebab.
Hold on, guys. It's not a kebab. Let's ask her. Penaz, so what is this? What is that you've made today with this sweet potato?
I decided to go the sweet way with sweet potato, and I've taken a take on the classic Parsi dish called dalni pori, which I have substituted the dal with sweet potato.
Now, the best thing about this is it's neither too sweet.
Yeah.
It's not overpowering you.
You know, you've used the ingredient very smartly because you have something creamy on the side and at the same time something crunchy inside.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Penaz and I have been chosen as one of the contestants for the Gulf Super Chef 2024. It's an honor to be part of this mega event and I'm so excited that it's going to help me take my culinary journey forward.
So Soni, what have you made out of sweet potato?
मैंने जो आज डिश बनाई वो है एक इटालियन डिश है जो मैंने इटालियन पास्ता बनाया लेकिन उसमें मैंने एक स्वीट पोटैटो के साथ बनाया हुआ है.
You just should say let's start and he's all over that.
Okay. Any Italian dish, I think the seasoning is the most important element. और उस पे आपने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है, ना तेज ना कम, it's very balanced.
Yeah, for me the taste is perfect. The white sauce is perfectly made, and since I like a little bit of spice, so the perfect cake for me.
Now I think you have a lot of food to eat now. Finally.
Sweet potato thali.
Let me check with Neena that what she has put together in this big thali for you. Neena ji, what is this dish called? I mean, I can see different elements on the plate. So how do you sum up this as a dish?
I can't say barbecued, but roasted, and a mix of taco and a North Indian blend of thali.
It's the optimal use of the ingredient you had been given, so it sounds really and looks amazing.
Serve it in a very good way. The presentation was also very good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Yes, Shaileshji. What do you make?
So these are invented like 3 hours back.
Oh, very interesting.
I named them sweet potato croquettes with feta cheese.
Yeah, for me the combination of the ingredients which you have chosen is really nice.
Yeah.
Feta and sweet potato, that goes really very well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shadab, I think now time for combo. You already had thali. Now looks like something combo is coming up.
बोले बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के लेकिन समझ में नहीं आया उनसे ही समझ. Yes.
So this is a soya chunk chili bean soup.
When it comes to the healthy, so is there red chili powder?
There is a mild dash of red chili powder, but I've added the sriracha sauce, which is the spice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
What she said? What this?
It's a grilled soya popcorns.
Beetroot color looks amazing on it, and it didn't look like the soya bean at first. So that's, I think, a big plus on it.
Thank you.
ये जो इनको सोया दिया है ये देखो इनको कैसे आराम से इन्होंने सब चीजें बना दी है परांठे और उन्होंने सोचा ये लोग ज्यादा स्वीट है इसलिए उन्होंने हमें स्वीट पोटैटो नहीं ये बात नहीं है बट हाँ है ही नहीं उसमें से कितनी चीजें नहीं बनती है मैं तो खाती नहीं कभी ये स्वीट और पोटैटो किसने खाया इसके बाद तो मैं खाऊंगी भी नहीं स्वीट
हमको सोया चंक्स मिल गए ना जिसमें कोई टेस्ट भी नहीं होता और पता ही नहीं चलता एकदम ब्लैंड है सोनी भी बहुत खुश थी उसको स्वीट पोटैटो मिले तो
Dr. Usha, can you just explain us what is this? What dish have you made for today?
It's a soya pulao.
From my side, full marks to that actually.
Thank you.
Actually healthy recipe बनाना है और less than harm. So sweet potato and potato with.
So one side is the healthy version of sweet potato, and other side is the unhealthy version of ketchup and mayonnaise.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So Hira, आज आपने क्या बनाया? What did you make today?
Today I make chicken firecracker.
No, that combo is nice, but our main ingredient was soya chunks.
You still have the dish.
Correct.
You're getting my point. So even if I skip all the soya from this, I can still eat this as a dish. So the soya is not your main ingredient in this dish. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to Shweta's Veggie Kitchen, where culinary passion meets creativity. Founded by Dubai's renowned chef Shweta Gupta. From cooking and baking classes for all ages. At SVK we provide Pod Kids classes, vocational training, and corporate healthy food and lifestyle sessions. Shweta's Veggie Kitchen, where every dish is made with love and everyone is welcome.
Welcome to Delhi Highway Restaurant, where we bring you the essence of North Indian cuisine with a touch of royalty. From banquets to catering services, we have it all. Join us for an unforgettable dining experience and blend in the tradition with sophistication.
I have finally decided कि मुझे किससे फिल्म बनानी है। बागबा का बच्चन पार्ट।
देखो मालूम है कौन है वो? किलर है यार वो।
अवकाल बनाए रखे के लिए भय बनाए के रखना बहुत जरूरी है। कैच कैच।
Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum.
Spice up your kitchen.
Hold on. This is what chef does.
With delicious recipes.
The food has to look good before you eat.
From across India.
This time, I'm going to make you very healthy.
Transform your meals into culinary masterpieces.
How good it is.
With our celebrity chef, Atul Kochar.
So Shefali, what have you prepared today?
So I have made empanadas. Empanada is a dish from Colombia or Argentina.
Considering the time frame, you did amazing job. Thank you so much.
Chef is standing in front of chef, so we would like to say something.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What did you make it and what did you do?
Like a kebab, it's a Nutrilla chunks, and for the binding I've used chana, chickpeas.
Mustard, which mustard you have used?
It's a regular mustard.
This is not my mustard.
It's Dijon.
and the mustard one, the paneer paprika, but just I put it both and the same. So I liked the mustard thing, so I twisted it that.
It's a basic, like I didn't see anything innovative. जो usually kebab होते हैं उसी तरह आपने इसको बनाया, right?
Spices में I have used garlic powder and amchur powder.
You know, the idea behind the dish was very good, to roast everything, to combine it with the chickpeas, but somebody went wrong with the execution.
Yeah.
You know, the execution was not right, but
Thank
you.
you
So much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So Sakina, tell me, what did you make today?
I made sweet potato and paneer cutlet.
You know, for me the dish itself is very good, but if there was a tangy or
a little more flavoring to it, that would have been
a
lot better.
Yeah. So,
like the idea of putting cheese and sweet potato together and coating them with vermicelli was amazing. Amazing idea. Thank you.
Thank you
so much. So guys, today is the end of the first challenge, and when we were thinking about the ingredients, we never thought that it's going to be that good.
We never knew that by just giving a sweet potato, the outcome of the dishes which we are going to see is going to be so superb, taste-wise.
So innovative.
It's very innovative. It's very innovative. Even the soya chops for that matter. But it was really nice. With given limited time and the ingredients which you had, you guys have put up a fabulous job.
all of you are a winner, because nobody failed to put a dish on the plate.
Yeah.
Everyone came up with a plate, and all of them was not a regular run-of-the-mill dish. There was innovation, there was taste, there was presentation. But you know, as part of this journey, we have to say goodbye to one contestant today.
And goodbyes are never good.
Doesn't mean that she was not good and her dish was not good. It's just a matter of few elements which was missing and which made her to leave today this kitchen. Okay, so as you said that none of the dishes or none of the contestants is bad. All of you are winners for me. And as we said that the moment you put the dish on the plate, you can call yourself as a winner, because not an easy competition to do one dish with focusing on one ingredient, that too within 1 hour. You need to think of the recipe, you need to think of the dish, you need to think of the presentation, and at the same time have to bear with the peer pressure as well, because you know the other 11 people are also competing with you. But as you move forward with the format of the show, today one person has to leave Gulf Super Chef kitchen, and that one person is Anshul.
Whenever you have something really cold and then you get this short, sharp kind of sensation, that's sensitivity. it can get worse. The problem is not going to go away by itself. I always recommend Sensodyne. It's specially designed to care for their sensitive teeth. And I've had people coming back to me saying it's made a difference. It worked.
From the makers of Panadol. When cough ruins your family time, try Pananatural Cough Syrup. The scientifically proven unique formulation with real honey and natural extracts so that you can have the best time with your little one.
Welcome to this new edition of Bollywood Minute. Maddock Films has decided to postpone the release of Chhaava, starring Vicky Kaushal. They don't want to obviously clash with Pushpa 2. The epic film based on the life of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj is now likely to release around Shivaji Jayanti on the February of 19th, 2025. It's power-packed teaser, of course, Vicky's brilliant performance, but very smart not to clash with Pushpa 2. After avoiding a clash with Pushpa 2, Maddock Films is eyeing February for the release of Chhaava. However, the period is crowded. There's Sanki, there's Dhadak 2 and Raid 2. Raid 2 I'm really looking forward to, boss. That's the lineup between 14th of February and 21st Feb. And with Shivaji Jayanti falling midweek on 19th and Ramadan starting soon after, it'll be interesting to see how Dinesh Vijayan manages to secure the perfect date and screen count for Chhaava. Stay tuned.
किसी भी लड़की पर हाथ डालने की एक ही सजा है।
शराफत की दुनिया का हिस्सा ही है। जंग तो शुरू होगी।
हमारी तो रिसर्च ही लड़कियों के ऊपर है ना सारी। क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करना है आपको? क्यों? लोग हंस रहे हैं, उनको मजा आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? वो अभी आने ही वाला होगा।
Sponsored by
Centrum is a complete daily multivitamin from A to Zinc. You did it.
सारी जिंदगी उनके इशारों पे नाचते रहे और क्या चाहते वो?
मेरी अम्मा कहती हैं जो बिगड़े घोड़े होते हैं ना, इनको लगाम डाल दो ना तो सीधे हो जाते हैं।
गालिबन आप जानती हैं कि बिगड़े हुए घोड़े को लगाम किस तरह बांधते हैं?
और वो लगाम ना उनकी शादी होती है, औरत।
देखो, अगर तुम अपने बाप के अताब से बचना चाहते हो ना, तो जैसा मैं कहता हूँ वैसा करो।
शायान, मेरा बच्चा।
रीना बेटा, आप आलिया भाभी को संभालो जरा।
शायान, तुम्हें क्या हुआ है?
हाँ, वो ड्रेस तो बहुत प्यारा है। एक बात मेरी कान खोल के सुन ले। खबरदार, जो तूने एथी के साथ कोई इश्क विश्क लड़ाया, मैं तुझे मारूंगी। तेरा बाप नहीं, मैं तुझे गाड़ूंगी इसी घर के अंदर।
देखो, घर के अखराजात बहुत बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारा ये जो कमरा वगैरह है ना, इसको मैं रेंट दे दूँ।
ये घर है कोई गेस्ट हाउस नहीं, और सुल्तान के कमरे की तरफ तो देखना भी मत। मैं उनका कमरा किसी को नहीं दूंगी।
Sponsored by
Dove. Don't trim daily damage. Stop it with Dove.
And
Rainbow, made from fresh milk.